Hi friends, welcome to DoodleDoo Kids. Are you ready to have fun drawing and coloring with us? Let's grab your crayons and let the fun begin.
Mix the colors! We've got lots! Flamingo's pink! Frog so green! Let's make the brightest scene you've seen! Here comes a panda, black and white, chewing bamboo every night. Add some hearts and rainbow stars, make it shine from near to far. Red for love and blue for sky, green for grass. Draw the world the way we see, a masterpiece for you and me. Color the zoo from red to blue, every shade it's up to you. Let's draw and paint, let's laugh and play, color the animals every day. Down by the pond, the ducks go quack, let's draw them waddling down the track. Stroke at a time. With every doodle we make it shine. Bye
Great
bye,
job,
lion.
little
Bye bye,
artists.
bear.
Don't forget to
See
like,
you tomorrow.
subscribe, and
We'll
come back for more
still
fun
be
with DoodleDoo
there.
Kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.